You're watching news headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. Mining companies made up more than half of this year's TSX30 list of top performers. The annual ranking tracks the 30 best returning stocks over 3 years on Canada's main exchange. Vancouver-based Hemlo Gold was the sector's standout, climbing 775% to take second place overall. The only company ahead, supply chain provider Celestica, which surged nearly 1,600%. The results highlight the mining sector's growing role in driving Canadian equity gains. Gold mining fatalities rose last year, breaking a years-long decline. That's according to Metals Focus. 8 of 14 major companies recorded a combined 27 deaths, up from 24 in 2023. Most incidents occurred in Africa's deep-level mines, where seismic events and ground faults are frequent. Stowe, 6 companies reported 0 fatalities. Northern Star extended its 11-year clean record, while B2Gold reached 9 years. The report warns mining remains a hazardous industry with long-term risks from noise, dust, and vibration. Rio Tinto and partners in Guinea's Simandou iron ore project have reportedly secured major tax concessions. The junta approved a 15% corporate tax rate for 17 years on the project's railway and port. That's less than half of Guinea's standard 35% rate and below Australia's 30%. The $23 billion initiative will produce 120 million tons of iron ore a year, with first shipments due in November. The deal follows government's pressure for Rio to also build a local refinery. Barrick is exiting Canada's mining sector with the sale of its Hemlo mine in Kakheti capital for nearly $1.1 billion. The deal includes $875 million in cash, $50 million in shares of the new Hemlo Mining Corp, and up to $165 million in future production-linked payments. Hemlo has held more than 21 million ounces of gold since it opened. The sale, expected to close in the fourth quarter, comes as bullion trades above $3,600 an ounce. Barrick says it will continue exploring early-stage projects in Canada while focusing on large global operations. Panama is preparing to start talks with First Quantum Minerals on the future of its shuttered Cobre Panama copper mine. The Commerce Minister said environmental audits will begin in the coming weeks, led by SGS Panama Control Services. The review will weigh environmental, social, and economic impacts, including jobs for Panamanians, and is expected to take 3 to 4 months. The mine has been closed since November 2023, after Panama's Supreme Court ruled its operating contract illegal. President Jose Raul Mulino has made the reopening a top priority, linking it to wider economic reforms. And that's where we leave your news headlines for now.